This is your spine. Sometimes it can lose the motion that it needs and get locked up, putting pressure on nerves, which causes pain. My job as your chiropractor is to go in, putting gentle impulses into the spine to help restore that good motion and decrease pain. A common misconception is that adjustments are painful. I can assure you they are a very safe and effective way to receive relief from your pain and restore motion to your spine. Most people wait until they are so locked up with pain that it interferes with their daily life before they seek out care. I encourage you to pick up the phone, make an appointment today so that you can get ahead of your pain. I'm Dr. John Perriton with HealthSource of Allen, where we can help you get better faster and stay better longer.